Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say asexual. Has two main meanings. One, in biology it refers to organisms that reproduce without sexual interaction. Two, in human sexuality it describes people who do not experience sexual attraction to others. Asexual people may still form emotional or romantic relationships, but do not feel sexual desire. Asexual, 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 asexual. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.